This video is about an interesting incident. Today, when I reached home, I noticed that my son was disturbed. And upon inquiry, he narrated an interesting incident. What happened here, Mr. Raya?
Yes, today I want to tell you that some man come here and cut down the trees, and birds are very sad, so they have no tree to make their nest.
The moment he told me, I visited the fields nearby, and you can see the fallen tree. It is a big tree, really big. And then when I moved forward, I witnessed a lot of trees. They were cut down. You can see the trees. But the interesting incident is coming ahead. As I'm moving forward, you can see there are a lot of trees which has been cut by the people. The reason is not known, but this is an interesting reaction. The moment I reached underneath this tree, there was a protest made by the crows and other different kind of birds, as they were protesting that spare this tree. They don't want this tree to be cut down like others. So this was an interesting incident. The birds of different kinds make their nests on the trees. These birds are part and parcel of nature. Any impurity in nature is called pollution. So I call cutting of trees as one form of pollution. Deforestation increases pollution. Birds like to live free in their own habitat. Birds or other animals seldom disturb the humans. But the humans are the most devastating and destroying creature in the world. The modern progress has many benefits, but with latest fighting aircrafts, missiles, tanks, pistols, and guns, we can say that one definition of progress is how quickly one country can destroy other, or one man can kill other. Man-to-man battle will carry on, but we should not disturb the nature. And if by compulsion some trees are cut down, upon which there were nests of birds, we should arrange the alternative nests at our homes. Like this, I bought 2 nests on asking of my son. Are you happy with these 2 nests?
No, these are not much because there are so many birds here. They need so we need to make more nests.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel Dads on YouTube. It's bye-bye. Allah Hafiz. Save nature, save the coming generation.